3 multiplied by 23.
And send to ma'am, beta. Push, your answer is correct. Mr. Pawar, your answer is correct. Please send to ma'am.
Send to 61. सुमन नहीं आ रहा क्या?
Ivan, Ivy, should I explain again? अगर आप भूल गए हो मैं दोबारा एक्सप्लेन कर दूं?
Sir, I know the answer.
Know the answer, then who was not able to understand? Mr. Bedi, are you able to understand or should I explain again?
Sir, I can write, but I'm taking time, but I have sent it.
Okay, beta, keep your camera on and hope send your answer.
Sanji. जल्दी के करो
Mahi, way, what's my answer?
Sir, just joining in 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am. So first I will multiply 3 into 1, I will get 3. Then I will multiply 3 into 3, I will get 9. Then I will multiply 3 into 2, I'll get 6. Beta, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Abhi hum starting mein kar rahe hain na, we can make mistakes. So 451 multiplied with 5. And this is a 3-digit multiplication with carryover. So be careful while doing this question. अगर आपको नहीं आए तो it's okay, I will explain. So was the quiz fun, guys?
Yes. Sir, it was very easy.
It was a tables quiz, no?
Yes. Sir,
Yes.
all of the questions right, but still I got third.
Beta, because it depends on the time also. आप जल्दी क्लिक करोगे तो पॉइंट्स ज्यादा मिलते हैं.
Sir, I knocked down Viraj with minus 500. Sir, quiz was very good.
Quiz
Sir,
was what? Very
good.
okay.
Sir, I minus Viraj 500 points.
Okay, so you had power-ups also. That's great.
Yes.
Sir, I don't know how to do it.
Who doesn't know how to do?
Sir, me.
IV, okay. But I'll explain. Just give 30 seconds more to other kids, then I'll explain.
Sir, can you give me 20 more kids for free?
No, beta, no. Then my kids will get finished now.
How do you?
Mahi, Kush, and Viraj.
I thought that it is still there.
Chalo, guys. IV, unmute karo. First, we'll multiply 5 with which number, IV?
No. Sir, what did you say?
5 को किस number से multiply करेंगे?
1.
1. What will I get 5 multiplied with 1?
5.
5. Then we'll multiply 5 with which number?
25. No,
We'll
5.
multiply 5 with 5. I will get 25. So what will I write here?
2.
देखो बेटा, जब 5 into 5 25 होता है ना, तो 5 is written down, 2 goes up. तो 2 goes up, 5 is written down. समझ आया ये?
Yes, sir.
कैरी ओवर क्या होगा? जो टेंस प्लेस में होगा वो कैरी ओवर में जाएगा. What will go in the carry over? Whichever is in the tens place.
That will be 2.
Then we will do 5 into 4. What will I get?
20.
Plus 2.
22.
ऐसे करेंगे. समझ आया आईवी?
Minus take
Yes, sir.
root of 2. That is why I got it wrong.
ओके बेटा.
समझ आया? Sure, it's asked दोबारा.
But I had discovered the answer.
चलो kids, do this. आईवी बेटा अपने आप करो, गलत होगा कोई बात नहीं, मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा, है ना? एक बार अपने आप ट्राई करो पहले.
Then I sent again. Laura has accidentally sent the wrong answer.
Aggu, you can send one more time बेटा. All right. So Viraj, you also got it wrong. So I will talk to Mahi. Mahi, पहले हम 6 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे?
9.
9. What will you get?
54.
So what will come here?
4.
And what will go in the carryover?
5.
So what? Then फिर 6 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे?
0.
What is 6 zeros are?
0.
What will come here then?
5.
5. Then 6 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे?
7.
7. So what is 6 sevens are?
6 sevens are 42.
Do you have any carry? No.
No.
My answer will be 4254. So
Sir?
Mahi ji and Aggu ji.
Sir, first I did 4314.
ओके बेटा. माही, अग्गू समझ आया आपको? माही तो समझ आ गया, विराज पवार हु इज मास्टर ऑफ टेबल समझ आया,
Sir, Kenzo question.
नो बेटा नो, these are basic multiplication questions. Guys, sometimes there can be double carry also, मतलब दोनों numbers पे carry होगा, like in this question. Try करो.
Sir, can this be Kiddo question? Sir,
Yes,
can this be Kiddo question?
beta, let's see how many kids get it right. Wait,
Sir, I accidentally sent it wrong.
beta, okay, you can correct it and send it right.
Sir,
Yes,
in the notebook, I accidentally wrote 450, 555 plus 3 times 3.
you accidentally wrote that.
Yes, sir.
बेटा ठीक है,
Very
दोबारा
sad.
से करेक्ट करके सेंड कर दो. Ivy, mama helped in this question.
Sir, no, you can ask from my mom. She is right.
No, beta, I am asking you. I trust you.
Sir,
I think Hope and Ivy will get a kidzo this time.
sir, can you?
Now I will talk to whom? And
Sir,
Mr.
I
Bedi
am
also.
I
Mr.
also
Bedi.
have corrected.
Okay, okay, Mr. Bedi, fine. So I will talk to whom? Agu. Agu, what
Sir,
are
I
three
also
fives
got
are?
it correct. So I also need a pizza.
So 3 fives are 15.
50,
So beta unmute karo Agu. So
15,
what will go in the carryover?
1.
1. उसके बाद यहाँ पे क्या आएगा?
Over here, 3 times.
हम
2.
हम बेटा आप कैरी ओवर ऐड करना भूल गए 3.
3.
And what will be the carryover?
3 times
हम
3, 6. Sir, over here, 3 again.
नो बेटा सी कैरी ओवर क्या होगा? 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. तो 1 at the top, 3 at the bottom. 1 at the top, 3 at the bottom. समझ आया गु?
He will come here.
Yes. Then what is 3 3s are?
12,
3 3s are 9.
9, 10.
Plus 1 10. समझ आया गु?
Yes, sir.
1025.
Okay. Do it.
Sir, when you will teach us rounding off?
Beta, is it started in your school?
Yes, sir.
What's your school's name?
Satpal Mittal.
Sir,
I'll teach today only.
sir, the next question, can you make it a kids question? Sir, did you add my kids? Here's 15.
Mr. Viraj Pawar. So let's talk to Viraj Pawar. Viraj, first हम 4 को किससे multiply करेंगे?
So 0.
What will you get 4 times 0?
0.
Okay, then what will I write beside 0? यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे?
So 4.
How, beta, how? Now we'll multiply 4 with which number? Tell me.
7.
7. What will you get?
28.
So what will you write here?
2.
So beta, when you
8.
get 4 7s are 28. So what will you write here? 8 or 2?
8.
8. Beta, जो tens place होती है ना, that goes in the carryover. So 8 and 2, 28. Okay. Then what will come here?
So 16.
You forgot to add the carryover.
18.
18. चलो, do it carefully this time. विराज, आप carryovers का ध्यान रखना. What needs to be in the carry, वो ध्यान रखना. Okay.
Excuse me,
I'm
sir.
giving. Yes.
Did you add my kids?
I think beta ma'am added Kitsos for everyone who won the quiz and who joined on time.
Sir, you do the quiz.
Wait, एक मिनट रुक जाओ बेटा. या ठीक है, चलो ये क्वेश्चन करते हैं.
Sir, I did not do the quiz.
So then beta you will not get the Kitso.
Percent. Sir, in this class, we
Mr. Bedi and Hope.
so sending.
Viraj ji, let's unmute. What will come here?
So 18.
बेटा बट यहाँ पे क्या आएगा नीचे?
Sir, 8.
8. What will go in the carryover?
1.
1. So what will come here?
7.
7 nahi beta. What is 6 zeros are? What is 6 zeros are?
0.
So then what will come here?
1.
1. And then what will come here?
So 30.
30. So everyone understood this? Nike and Hope.
Yes, sir.
So guys, आपको ना daily one multiply sheet करनी है. I am going to give one multiply sheet daily. Everyone has to do it. Okay. I have given 3 sheets for homework. 2 are like for tables and 1 is for multiplication. Okay, kids, you have to do that before the next class.
Sir, where is the
now-
homework?
Yes,
Sir,
Can
where is the homework?
It's in Monday.
I have posted the homework in the group.
Okay.
So we are going to do rounding off now as per Ivy's request. So what is rounding off? Suppose I will tell you that Agu goes to a market. So Agu goes to a market and did shopping of rupees 1211. Correct? Or 1209. 1209. And now Unicorn asks him. So his sister is a unicorn. Unicorn asks him what that for how that he did, how much money did he spend? So after some days क्या अबू को exact figure ध्यान रहेगी 1209? नहीं ना? So he will say I spent around how much? Rupees 1200. ये जरूर याद रहेगा. It was around 1200, but वो exact 9 था, 10 था, 11 था, वो याद नहीं रहेगा. So what has Agu done? Agu has rounded this off. Okay. So rounding off में क्या होता है? हम एक round figure में आंसर दे देते हैं. नाम से ही लग रहा है round figure में. So suppose it is 67. तो वो round off हो जाएगा 70 में. 79 है, round off हो जाएगा 80 में. So you can say I spent around 80 rupees. One more way to see this is if you want to buy something of 67. So will you carry the exact change? क्या आप 67 carry करोगे? नहीं ना? Your mom can give you in 70 rupees कि okay you take 70 rupees. So rounding off has multiple uses. Now I will give you few questions how it is done. So first we will do rounding off to nearest tens. So what does rounding off to nearest tens means? Means आपके पास only 10 rupee notes हैं. आपके पास 5 rupee coins या notes नहीं है. आपके पास 1 rupee coins या notes नहीं है. आपके पास either you have 10 rupee coins or 10 rupee notes. So I tell you that round off 78 rupees to nearest tens. So see guys, because you have only 10 rupee notes, either you can carry 80 or you can carry 70. या तो आप 80 कैरी कर सकते हो या 70 कैरी कर सकते हो. So what do you think is closer to 78? Is 80 closer or 70 closer?
Sir, 80.
So round off will give you the answer 80. तो आपका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा 78 का?
80.
So I will give you one question. Now you have to round off to nearest tens only. Rounding off is done to nearest hundreds also, thousands also, millions also, and 10,000s also. But right now we are rounding off to nearest tens. क्या meaning हुआ? You have only 10 rupee notes and coins. Yes.
Thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s.
Yes. So round this off to, no, not 76. Let me give you 66. Round this off to nearest tens. Okay. ओए कुश,
Sir, this is so easy. Sir, do you understand what to
कुश आप नेट्स नहीं खा रहे। सो मिस्टर कुश, मुझे बताओ 66 इज क्लोजर टू 60 और 70।
70,
तो बेटा आंसर शुड बी 70। व्हाट आंसर डिड यू सेंड?
60
ओए
समझ आ गया।
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करो।
Sir, sorry. Tens.
Yes, round off to nearest tens only. अभी we are doing questions of rounding off to nearest tens.
सर अब देखना, अब मैं फर्स्ट वाला था करेक्ट था। जब मेरे को एक बार ही समझ आता है ना, मैं कभी रॉन्ग नहीं करता।
अच्छा,
Then I accidentally gave it wrong. I thought
Agu, have you told Unicorn that you are in my team now?
सर पुट भी
Yes, sir.
Okay, Agu, fine.
Sir,
Sir,
I
put me in your
accidentally.
team.
Ivy and Hope.
Sir, giving
सर कैन यू पुट
The wrong answer.
Agu, you can correct it.
sir, I
Fine.
Sir, can you put
accidentally sent it wrong.
Okay, Nike, you also can correct your answer.
सर कैन यू आल्सो
So, Agu, which answer did you send?
Sir, 110.
Okay.
But the answer was 127.
Yes. No, beta, 27 nahi. See, this is 110 and 120. क्योंकि बेटा 10 रुपी नोट्स हैं। अगर आप 127 लिख दोगे तो 10 रुपी नोट से कैसे बनेगा 127? है ना? तो what will be my answer? 120 because it is more closer to 120. Aggu and Nike समझ आया? Now what will happen if we are right in the middle? For example 75. तो ये तो इक्वली क्लोजर है, 70 के भी क्लोजर है और 80 के भी क्लोजर है।
75 लिख द आंसर।
नो बेटा नो, यू हैव ओनली 10 रुपी नोट्स, मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूं।
Sir,
So 75 will jump to 80. The answer of 75 will be 80. पहले नहीं जंप करेंगे हम, बाद में जंप करेंगे। डिफरेंस इज इक्वल बट आई विल जंप टू द नेक्स्ट नंबर। चलो गाइस एक क्वेश्चन ट्राई करते हैं।
To go back to the nearest tens, we only have to do till 4.
So try this question, round off to nearest tens.
Then sir, ma'am is not checking.
So Ivy, you have been taught rounding off to nearest hundreds and thousands also?
yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
fine.
I was the first one. I was the first.
No.
Sir, in our school, they have taught till tens and hundreds. Sir,
Wait, okay. So Nike, what's my answer?
100.
110 बेटा। जब भी 5 मिडल में होता है ना, we jump to the next tens, not the previous tens. ठीक है? Speak the table of 10. 10 tens are 100, 10 11s are 110. तो आप नेक्स्ट में जंप करोगे, पिछले वाले में नहीं जंप करोगे। ओके, let's see if you can do this question. Yes.
my
Yes.
teeth broke now.
What broke beta?
Tooth, my tooth.
Oh my goodness.
Sir sent.
Sir, I pulled it by myself. I don't know how.
Correct, Nike.
Sir, you are not saying.
You are so brave. Can you show your tooth to me?
Yes, sir.
Can you
I'll
please
show
show?
first. Let me send the answer, then I'll show.
Okay.
Sir, can you give us some free time?
No,
We
beta.
want
No.
to annotate.
Sir, see.
Oh, wow. You are looking great. So the answer is 2220. Now kids, अभी तक तो हमने करा, we understood the concept and we have done it. But sometimes when the numbers get bigger ना, we get confused also. तो पहले आप कंफ्यूज नहीं हो रहे तो मैं आपको रूल बताता ही नहीं हूँ. देयर आर रूल्स वी कैन फॉलो. लेट्स डू राउंडिंग ऑफ टू नियरेस्ट हंड्रेड्स. देन इफ यू गेट कंफ्यूज्ड आई विल टेल यू द रूल्स. Rounding off to nearest
This is
hundreds.
also easy.
Now guys, you have only 100 rupee notes with you. So suppose my number is 157. Now if you have 100 rupee notes, you can do it 100 or you can do it 200.
200.
Now between में क्या होगा 100 और 200 के 150. So this means it's more closer to 200. So my answer of 157 rounded off to nearest hundreds will be 200. ये समझ आया guys? चलो, let me give you a question. That's great.
Yeah.
346. I am surprised you guys are doing without even knowing the rules. मैं तो हमेशा rules से कराता हूँ. But you guys are so intelligent. You are not. Without you are doing it without me telling you the rules also.
Done.
Done.
It's wrong.
Done.
Nike. Nike, it's wrong.
Sir, I accidentally, alpha, I put the number 0.
It's okay. So kids, sometimes we kids get confused, so it's important to know the rule. So first of all, I'll explain this question. No, beta, 4 kids got it right. 4 में kids नहीं होता. So 346, जो 100 का previous multiple है, that is 300. Multiple means table. So 100 3s are 300 and 100 4s are 400. So this 346 is more closer to 300 because 350 बीच में होता है.
400 का आंसर
So my answer would be 300.
Then 300 answer था but मैंने गलती से 200 लिखा.
But guys, अब हम see ऐसे ही हम कई बार कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. So I am going to tell you the rules now. तो rules क्या होते हैं? First we underline the place to be rounded. I will explain you the rules. So underline the place
Value.
to be rounded. अगर टेंस प्लेस को राउंड करना है तो आप टेंस प्लेस को अंडरलाइन करोगे. इफ यू हैव टू राउंड ऑफ द हंड्रेड्स प्लेस देन यू विल अंडरलाइन द हंड्रेड्स प्लेस. नेक्स्ट, चेक द डिजिट ऑन द राइट. मतलब उस अंडरलाइन डिजिट के जो राइट में डिजिट हो उसको चेक करो.
50
If it is 5 or more,
देखा मैं सही था.
then do +1 to the underlined digit. अगर 5 or more हो, I will explain. Then do +1 to the underlined digit. Then the digits on the right become 0. I will explain each point. तो kids, मेरा नंबर था 346. मुझे राउंड ऑफ करना था हंड्रेड्स प्लेस तक. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल अंडरलाइन द हंड्रेड्स प्लेस. Then this point, first point understood. Why did I underline the hundreds place only? Because I have to round off to the nearest hundreds. This thing understood, kids? Wait, everyone understood?
Yes,
Yes or no?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So first point understood. We will underline the place to be rounded. Hundreds तक करना है तो hundreds place को underline करो. Then I will check the digit on the right. जो मैं इसका neighboring digit है मैं उसको check करूंगा. अगर ये 5 और more होगा तो 3 will be very very happy. But this time 3 is not happy because
4 will be
no beta no. Let me speak. Because why 3 is not happy? Because the digit is less than 5. तो क्या होगा 3 3 रहेगा. That is why it is not happy. The digits on the right become 0. जो भी underline digits के right में digits होना वो क्या बन जाएंगे 0 0. वो क्या बन जाएंगे 0 0. थोड़ा सा शुरू में टफ लगेगा बट ट्रस्ट मी दिस विल सेव यू लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट. आप गलती करने से बचोगे अगर वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस मेथड. इसी को मैं अगर मैं टेंस प्लेस तक राउंड ऑफ करूं तो लेट्स सी. I will underline the tens place. Then I will check the digit on the right. Now 4 will be happy or sad? Happy because the next digit is more than 5. So I will add 1 to 4. मैं 4 में क्या add कर दूंगा 1. तो ये क्या बन जाएगा 35. उसके बाद last line digits on the right become 0.
0.
6 will become 0.
3 5 0.
Yes, so this is rounding off to nearest tens. जिसमें आपके पास only 10 rupee notes हैं. This is rounding off to the nearest hundreds. One more thing you have to remember is अगर आप tens place तक round off करते हो, tens place rounding करते हो, there will be minimum, or I should write minimum 1 0 होगा at the end. Minimum 1 0 at the end होगा ही होगा. और अगर आप हंड्रेड्स प्लेस तक राउंडिंग करते हो तो मिनिमम कितने जीरो होंगे
2.
2 zeros
1 in the
at the end.
1 in the tens.
आप थाउजेंड्स प्लेस तक राउंड ऑफ करते हो
3.
तो कितने जीरो होंगे
3.
मिनिमम 3 जीरो. 3 से ज्यादा हो सकते हैं, कम नहीं हो सकते. अंडरस्टूड? तो I will give you a question. You round off to nearest tens using this method. ठीक है, ट्राई करो इस मेथड को यूज करके राउंड ऑफ करो. डू इट. 374 नहीं, आई एम चेंजिंग द क्वेश्चन. 463. डू इट. नियरेस्ट टेंस. ठीक है, राउंड ऑफ करना है नियरेस्ट टेंस. So first step, underline the place to be rounded. Second step, check the digit on the right. Mr. Bedi. Mr. Bedi and Hope.
Sir, I have sent it.
So see, Mr. Bedi. So which digit will you underline?
Sir, 4.
4 नहीं बेटा, नियरेस्ट टेंस तक करना है ना. So we have to underline the tens place. So which digit will you underline?
6.
6. Second step, check the digit on the right. Now 6 will be happy or sad?
Sad.
Sad.
Happy.
Beta sad because जो neighbor है उसका that is less than 5.
Sir,
So now next the digits on the right are become 0. The digits on the right become 0. So my answer will be 460. समझ आया Mr. Bedi and Hope?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Same number you have to round off to nearest hundreds. Nearest 100. आपको जो मैंने पहले तरीका बताया ना, आप उससे अपना आंसर चेक भी कर सकते हो.
सर पहले वाला ट्रिक का ही बेस्ट है.
बेस्ट है बेटा, बट बड़े
First
नंबर्स
one
में
to get
डिफिकल्ट
it
लगेगा
right.
आपको. बड़े नंबर्स
First
में
one to
डिफिकल्ट
get it
लगेगा.
right.
छोटे नंबर्स में तो
Sir,
इजी लगेगा.
100,000 में दे दो, मैं कर लूंगा करेक्ट.
ओए
क्या 200?
Sir, million thousands.
हाँ सर, उसमें भी मैं कर लूंगा. इजी पीजी.
Sir, you can give us 10,000,000.
So Kush, you have not sent your answer. Time is up. Hope, let's talk to you. Hope, which digit will I underline?
सर 6.
6 क्यों बेटा? मुझे nearest 100 तक round off करना है. Which digit is which digit is at the hundreds place?
4.
4. Then what is the next step?
Sir, sir, the answer is 500.
So I will check the digit on the right. If it is more than 5, this 4 will be happy. It will dance because it will change to 5. And all the digits on the right become 0, 0. So my answer is 500. समझ आया guys?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Chalo, I am giving one more question. Wait. Do this.
Sir, hundreds or 10.
You have to do nearest tens first. पहले nearest tens करेंगे. Obviously.
And
I was the second one to get it right.
sir, I have sent. Sir, I've accidentally wrote the wrong answer.
बेटा you can send again. Hope आपने notebook में किया ये?
Yes, sir.
Which digit did you underline?
Sir, 2.
So will 2 be happy or sad?
Sir, sad.
Which is the digit? Beta second step क्या होता है? Check the digit on the right. So will 2 be happy or sad?
Sir, sad.
Sad क्यों बेटा? 7 is more than 5. अगर 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 होगा then 2 will be happy. Why 2 will be happy? Because 2 will become plus 1 and it will change to 3. तो मेरा आंसर हो जाएगा 930. समझ आया? होप एक क्वेश्चन और कर लो आप. इसका आंसर बताओ. Which digit will I underline? Nearest
Sir,
tens only.
Sir, 4.
Please, 100.
4.
100.
So then tell me, this 4 will be happy or sad?
Sad.
क्यों बेटा? Check the digit on the right.
Sir, we have to do
क्या 6? बेटा everyone keep quiet. I'm explaining her. Everyone keep quiet.
Sir,
Don't speak in
happy.
between. Happy.
Sir, happy.
So what will be my answer?
Sir, 800.
800 नहीं बेटा, जो अंडरलाइन डिजिट है ना उसी में ही +1 करेंगे. तो आंसर होगा 75 डिजिट्स ऑन द राइट बिकम 0. समझ आया?
Okay, sir.
One more question to you. 350. No, 764. Now tell me. No, I am talking to her only. I am
Sir,
explaining.
6.
So I will underline 6. 6 will be happy or sad?
Sir, sad.
So what will be my answer?
Sir, your answer would be 750.
750 नहीं बेटा, माइनस नहीं करते इसमें. 76 will remain 6 only. So
Okay, sir.
760.
Okay, sir.
You don't have to subtract. जब हैप्पी होगा तो ऐड करेंगे, जब हैप्पी नहीं होगा तो it will remain 6 only. चलो guys, now you have to round off 927 to nearest 100. Hope, can I give you one more question till others are doing?
Yes, sir.
Wait. Tell me what will be the answer.
Sir, you will underline the 7th place,
Okay.
and then 7 would be sad,
Yes.
and the answer would be 670.
Very good. Now you do the question given.
Sir, I accidentally sent it wrong.
Nike, but we'll have to talk. Hope, now you have to round off to nearest hundreds. Beta, give the answer to ma'am. So Nike, which digit will I underline?
7.
7 nahi beta. Which is the digit at the hundreds place?
9.
9. 9 will be happy or sad? Check the digit on the right. अगर राइट वाला डिजिट 5 से बड़ा हो तो 9 will be happy. Otherwise it will be sad. So 9 will be happy or sad?
Sad.
Sad. Then 9 will remain 9 only, and the rest digits will become what?
800.
0 0 बेटा, 9 तो 9 ही रहेगा, कम थोड़ी हो जाएगा 9. बाकी सब डिजिट 0 0 हो जाएंगे, 9 का भी कम नहीं होगा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन, राउंडिंग ऑफ टू नियरेस्ट 100, 746.
Sir, in the chat.
Yes, in the chat. We'll continue this topic in next class also.
Sir, I sent it.
Hope, Mr. Bedi, send your answer.
Sir, send it.
Miss Hope, send your answer. So Viraj, which digit will be underlined?
I don't.
Beta, you don't know? We have to round off to nearest 100. So which digit will be underlined? The digit which is at the hundreds place. Which digit is at the hundreds place?
700.
700 nahi beta, 7 is at the hundreds place. है ना? Then 7 will be happy or sad?
Happy.
Why happy beta? Check the
Sad.
digit on the right.
Sad.
So it will be sad. So 7, what will be my answer then?
700.
700 is correct. One more question to you. 764. What will be my answer?
800.
800. Because again I will underline the hundreds place. Check the digit on the right. This time 7 will be happy. So I will add 1. है ना? So it will be 800. So guys, I wanted to know कि last class में मैम strict थे कि नहीं थे. Like what happened? I want to know because I was traveling and I couldn't know what happened.
Sir, ma'am was not strict. She
Sir,
was nice.
Not strict.
Not strict.
Not strict.
Sir, she was
Not strict, not strict.
Strict very much, 100% of the
Sir,
time.
she was not strict at all.
She was 100%.
Sir, 100% not strict.
So I am giving a poll. You guys answer a poll. Answer the poll. Okay.
Okay, sir. No.
Oh my goodness. So only one child think that ma'am was strict. Acha, I also want to know that. What did I want to know? I forgot myself. So who is the most naughty kid in this class?
Me?
So who is the most naughty kid?
Naughty Veera. Sir, give
Naughty
a poll. Sir, give a
Sir,
poll for
naughty
this
Veera.
also.
So naughty guys, today 2 kids are absent, na, so I won't give the poll today. So naughty Veera is the most naughty. Or
Yes.
Kush.
Because his name is only naughty.
Okay guys, next class we'll do a poll.
Yeah.
Alright. So okay kids, that's all for today. Bye bye. Enjoy. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye kids. Bye bye.